What is up, my veggies? My name is VeggieTales Raven, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank Full Frontal Assault. So I'm excited to play this game. Now, I do not remember if I've ever played a Ratchet and Clank game because these games came out a while back, and I'm not sure if I played any of them. I may have, I may not have. But if I haven't seen someone play them, I know I've watched someone play it. So in person, I watched someone play these. I think I watched my cousin. If I haven't played these games myself, I probably haven't. But I'm pretty sure I have seen my cousin play one Ratchet and Clank game. So let's go ahead and hit start. Okay, so this is a demo, by the way, so this will all be just one video. I will not do this later. I won't play this anymore. I should have subtitles turned on. I think I do. Let me make sure before we get started. Video, game options. Okay, yes, it is on. Now let's get to the campaign. Okay, oh, it's a two-player game. That's cool, so I guess player one plays as... Wait. Oh, you can change your character. So you can play as Ratchet. You can play as Ratchet, Clank, and you can play as Ratchet, Clank. Well, no, Ratchet. Forgot his name. Don't remember his name. Or Clank. I'm just gonna play as Ratchet. So let's go ahead and get started. So. This is just a demo, so it will not. I decided I was going through the PSN store once again. I actually downloaded a few demos that I want to do videos on. I decided, hey, we'll play this one first. So let's do this. Oh, okay. Oh, jumping straight into it. Ratchet and Clank Full Frontal Assault.
Captain's log. Stardate, let's call it Wednesday. Released from public service, former President Clark decided to retake the mantle of righteousness, to serve as the people's perennial protector, to defend the galaxy with the vigor of a...
That's a stereotypical heroic voice.
Well, the galaxy has never been so...
empty?
Boring.
This is just sad. He lost the election like 3 months ago. Don't you think it's time for an intervention? I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to
Captain
life in the
Quark,
private
that's
sector.
it.
Computer, find me something to shoot.
Sorry, dude, we got none on the radar. Have a lost day.
Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
Wow, yeah, we have something to do. It makes them all happy. Okay, hey Clank. Sorry, Clank. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so move, camera, and jump. And I can already tell square is the attack button. So where'd you go, Clank? Are you not gonna follow Clank, or are you gonna stay here?
Day's work.
Clank, I'm guessing you're gonna stay here. Hello?
Looks like you've got a bug problem.
A bug problem? Ah, I can fix that. I can hit you. Okay, which way did he go? I think he went all the way down that way. Yeah, there he is. I want to see what's in here first. Ooh. Interesting. What is all this? Okay. Whoa. Whoa, those sounds are annoying. Oh. Oh, L1 plus art plus square is a throw attack. Cool. What do we have here?
Hey, Captain, we're receiving an encrypted transmission. Please report to the bridge pronto.
Oh, that is cool. That is cool. I like that.
Good evening, Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life?
Whoa.
A shadowy supervillain. This is perfect. What do you think he wants? Money? No. Power? No. Money and power. Who cares what he wants? Finally, get to shoot somebody to execute. So we can just simply get to that.
Shouldn't we be listening to what he's saying?
As I was saying,
Yeah, we should be listening to what he's saying.
military defense centers in this sector, plunging each location into total chaos.
Uh-oh.
Splendid. Hungarian marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder how you've called them.
Was it me?
It was me, you dolt! Only
Wow. This villain is very insulting and rude. Well, he's a villain, so what do I expect?
I will deactivate every station in the galaxy.
Who are you?
Someone who doesn't like Captain Quark very much. Someone he failed.
You don't know what this calls for?
Don't say it.
I'll tell you what this calls for.
Oh,
He's
crap.
gonna say it.
The Q Force!
He said it.
Hail!
Hey. Why'd you say it? Why'd you say it? What do we do? Oh. We just select this. Select planet. I'm selecting. Oh, that's locked. Oh, this planet. One player. Okay. All right. Escape pods. I think that's what those are. Oh, okay. A little ship. Okay, I'm excited to see what this demo has to offer. Hopefully it's not too short of a demo, but hopefully it's not too long. Because the last demo I played of a game was pretty short. I love the world of Ratchet and Clank. It's so cool. I wish I could change my character during play.
Q4 space identified. Your Q4 space is powered by these generators. If they are destroyed, Q-Force will lose control of the planet.
Wait, so am I destroying these? Let's do this, Ratchet. Oh no, we're defending them.
They took out one of our generators. Got it.
Yeah, take this, you stupid things.
Pyro turrets required to defend generators.
Okay, damage crates to collect bolts. Oh. Wow, that was impressive. Okay, so I can't accidentally attack these, so that's good. What's this? What do we have here? Wait, what? It's telling me to press circle. What do I do? Oh, yeah, double jump.
Yes.
I don't need that, though. What about this one? What's this one? What is this? There's another one right here. Okay, well, what are these little glowy pads over here? Oh, I can break those. I'm surprised. Wait. How do I... Oh! Wait, what am I doing? Oh, do I need to like activate all these? Wait, do I stand on it and press circle? I guess? I don't know, I'm confused. Wait, I don't even know really what to do. Oh, what's this? It's just not health. Can you really like, oh, is it these? Oh, you guys are, do I have to like tell you where to shoot? Over there? Wait, there's an arrow pointing right here. Oh. Whoa. I like this. This is fun.
Weapon pods have been deployed.
Oh, do I get a new weapon? Huh. Wait, what do I do? Oh, I see what I gotta do. Oh, okay, I get what I need to do. Did it, yes!
The combustor is now available.
Do I just switch my gun or my weapon? This thing does not have very far range. Look. Watch. Oh, this is cool! It's a really cool game. I like this. Okay. There we go. And that shut down the shield. Let's do this! Let's go, Ratchet.
Power cables to reach battlefield key nodes.
Those things look ugly.
Activate all key nodes to unlock the Planetary Defense Center.
Just tell me.
Activate Planetary Defense Center to drive back Hungarian marauders.
Okay, I get you.
Enemy dropship now on approach.
Okay, I get it. This may be a pretty long demo. I hope it's not too long. But for this kind of game, I don't expect a really short demo.
New enemies detected.
Those things are ugly. They're ugly but adorable at the same time. What are these? Oh! Oh! Oh, I have to pay for that. That's actually really impressive.
This one's mine.
You guys want to go?
Oh boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Wait, I have to actually restock on ammo? Really?
The space is under attack.
Come here, you. There we go. You know.
The Q4 space is secure. All generators are online.
All right.
These power cables run to the key nodes.
Hello, little purple head dudes, or big purple head dudes, who are actually very easy to kill. Hey, check this! Wow! You want some of this? Oh, hey, come here, buddy, come here. Oh, you want some of the ratchet? Yeah. Don't mess with me. What in the world
He's down.
is this? Okay, that stopped. Oh, I broke it, I think. I think I broke this. Okay, is there... okay, there's some bad guys over here. Hey, there's another one of these things right here, so let's miss this. And there we go. Ooh, I want this.
You have unlocked the cryo shop. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Oh, is this like a freeze gun? Oh crap, we're gonna have to jump across
Incoming
those.
enemies detected.
Okay.
Got it.
That's it. Come here. Nope. Come here, little buddy. I'm sorry, but you are not getting over there. I am defending my things, whatever they are called. Okay, let's go. I forgot how it said the like that.
Let's follow this power cable.
That's what I'm doing, Ratchet.
The Q-Force base is under attack. This key node is heavily guarded. Recommend
Whoa! What the heck is that?
pods before attacking.
Okay, you want to go? Yeah, don't fire at me, my friends. Come here, you. Don't. Oh, who's shooting at me? You shooting? Better not be shooting. Come here, you. You want some of this? You want some of this? Yeah.
Generator destroyed. The Q-Force base is under attack.
Oh, I like it. There's a little.
Base is secure. Prime generators operational.
Oh, I can't do that from here. Okay, I need to figure out how to get more ammo. Well, that did a lot. Oh, you want to fight? You know what?
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go and find some health real quick because I am dying. I'm gonna send out another wave.
Detected at the east key node.
Sweet. Maybe it's time to get some new defenses.
Okay, let's see. Oh, what's that one up there? Okay, let's go back and continue what we're supposed to be doing. Oh! Didn't mean to do that. Follow the wire. Ratchet. Oh, where did you come from?
Well, that might have been a bad idea.
Okay, let's just run. Come on. Oh, Jesus!
Come on, guys. We gotta unlock these weapon pods.
I'm gonna die. I am going to die. Please be helped. Wait, where am I? Hey, I think we're getting close. Oh, Ratchet can't really, is weak right now.
We have lost a cadet.
Oh, crap.
Back in action.
No!
Enemy reinforcements detected at the east key node.
Wait, what? Okay, I don't have to reactivate all this stuff, thank goodness. Okay, it didn't start me over, it just sent me all the way back here. It didn't like make sure I had to redo all that. Give me these crates. Okay, let's keep going. Come on, Ratchet, we got this. Sorry, pal, but this is for you. And I'm bringing the pain. You guys want some of this? I'm not sure you want some of this. Ah! Yeah. Wasn't sure if you wanted any of that. You guys want some of this? Forget it, it's attack. Okay, I need health. I need health like badly. Okay, that was health. Right here.
I'm good.
Enemy reinforcements detected at the East Key node.
I see this. Avoid them, avoid them, avoid them, avoid them. I do not need to worry about them right now. Okay. Time to worry about these guys.
Is that all you got?
Come on. Don't mess with me. Okay. Time to take care of you guys.
I'm out.
Oh crap. Wait. Okay, I have some for you though. Time to fight fire with fire. Here we go. Boom, baby. Oh no, you brought more friends. Good to know. Wait till I stop shooting and...
Better find some nanotech.
You better find some health. Okay, health. Health. Please tell me this is health. No. Oh, I didn't destroy those things back there.
I found ammo.
Found ammo, we need health. Avoid them, avoid them, avoid them, avoid them. Okay, good, it respawns. Okay, give me some of this health.
Enemy reinforcements detected at the East Key node.
We're gonna power through this, come on.
The node is heavily guarded. Recommend unlocking more weapon pods before attacking.
Don't worry, I'm going, I'm jumping. Oop. Take this and this and this. And this. All of you need for this. And this. And a little bit of this. Oop. Take that. Take this. And this. And a little bit of some of this.
Better find some nanotech. Better find some nanotech.
Oh crap. Anything over here? Ooh. Oh. Okay, need to go find some more health again. This is probably, what is this? This is ammo, right?
We got ammo here.
Okay, can we make it without getting hit? Let's do this. There we go. Okay. Now let's destroy this.
Cool.
Enemy Reinforcements detected at the East Key node.
Let's get these crates. Well, no, let me switch to, Can I destroy it before you come up? Nope.
This key node is heavily guarded. Recommend unlocking more weapon pods before attacking.
Well, I gotta attack these guys first, so. Okay, they need to put some health up here. It's like, seriously. Okay, now let's get out my. Okay, okay, let's switch our weapon. Do we have any ammo for this? Okay, yes, we do.
I don't feel so good.
Okay, I've only got a few hits. 1. Wait till they stop shooting. 2. Wait till he stops shooting. 3. I died again. How long have I been recording? Almost 30 minutes. I'm gonna get one more try at this.
Reinforcements detected at the East Key node.
Oh. Whoa, what is this area? I haven't seen this area yet. Come on, attack, guys. Attack. Oh, yeah, oh. Okay, guys. I didn't complete the demo, but I think I played enough. It's been a pretty long video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tap the like button down below. Subscribe, leave me a comment, and link to my Twitter, Instagram, and DeviantArt will all be linked down in the description below, just like always. And do not forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!